Hi, I'm Gerard O'Connor, and I'm pleased to be able to describe the new part-time diplomas for advanced manufacturing which are on offer from the University of Galway in September 25. The new offerings are a result of a careful review of the future skill requirements for the manufacturing sector. Broadly speaking, these new skill requirements centre around two transitions, one based on the digital or data-enabled transformation, the other based on the green transition. Our first diploma is product-based. It is centred on digitally enabled connected medical devices. Our second diploma is process-based. This is centred on the digitalisation of manufacturing processes. Our third diploma is centred on manufacturing systems, on the sustainability of manufacturing systems within a new carbon neutral economy. Our fourth diploma is centred on automation, sensors, actuators, robotics and programming. This is the diploma in manufacturing automation. Our fifth programme is centred on data or intelligent data-driven manufacturing, how data can be generated, stored and analysed to generate autonomous learning and decision-making in manufacturing industry. All these diplomas are at level 8. If you already have a level 8 degree, you can select a similar combination of these programmes using our new PG Cert in Key Enabling Technologies. This provides a significant credit towards a level 9 master's degree. Thank you very much for your attention.